Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is John Shea, and I just wanted to give you an introduction to this course and kind of talk about what we're actually going to be covering. As many of you may or may not be aware, there have been some changes recently with Facebook Messenger, and a lot of companies out there have gone off and actually started creating tools that you can utilize to basically create what's considered more or less a Facebook bot. Really, what you can do with these bots is if, say, someone messages a fan page of yours, you can actually have the fan page automatically respond. And this is absolutely awesome for marketers because you can utilize these bots to basically interact with your clients or your leads without actually needing to be there and doing this manually. So I've seen people utilize this in many ways. Maybe that's going out there and making a post on Facebook and saying, hey, do you want my free ebook? Send me a message or leave a comment and I'll send it to you. And then someone will comment on that page and automatically the messenger bot will actually go out and send them a link to the ebook. And once they've done that, most of the software out there will also have the capability of tracking that lead, and they can go out there and basically message them again at any time automatically, just like an email autoresponder. So what I first wanted to do is kind of show you an example of how this is working, and then I'm going to show you how to set this up and some cool ways that you could kind of utilize it for yourself. I'm going to reference a couple friends of mine, a couple different fan pages that I'm using, and show you some ways that you can utilize it. So in this video, what I wanted to show you is I actually run a metal community for a very specific genre of metal. It's called metalcore. Not really anything to worry about there, but what I wanted to show you was that this particular page has about 2,500 likes, and there's a lot of bands and musicians, up and coming artists that are always messaging me looking for some publicity on my page. So here's an example. This guy George sent me a message. Hey guys, what's up? I'm George, guitarist of Kin Beneath Chorus. We just uploaded a new track from our 2 album in Via. Feel free to check it out. Cheers. So they'll send me generally a YouTube video, and I found that I was getting this all the time. If you actually look at my inbox, you can see that I get this all the time. Like here's someone, a vocalist from a band. Here's someone else saying, hey, not sure if you take submissions. I did a solo project called this. Go check it out. So I found that over time, at least probably 2-3 times a month, over the last couple of years, I've been getting a message from, whether or not it's an artist, a fan, someone that wanted to submit something. And quite honestly, I didn't have a whole lot of time to, really spend with them trying to promote their stuff. So what I decided to do is, now that these Facebook Messenger bots are available, I set up an auto response through a tool we'll be talking about upcoming here in the coming videos, where I can automatically respond to them. So I want to show you what I responded with George. I basically said, hey, John here, thanks for sending us a message. If you have a music video to submit, please use the form on our website below. I will try my best to either share it on the site or on our Facebook page. So I actually have a website for the same community, and when they go to this page, I'm actually monetizing this a little bit. I basically said, hey, if you're part of a band that feels your music video would be acceptable for Metalcore Kingdom, just fill out the form below and I'll check the video and post it up. And I said, I'll also accept music video submissions from fans, and the purpose of the site is to help others discover new music. Send me any artists you think would fit in well here. And then I said, please note, we get a ton of requests from bands and fans to submit videos, so there are no guarantees we will be able to post your video for free. So I figured, why not start monetizing this? And this is just one example. Obviously, this is a pretty specific case, but I just kind of want you to think in your head, what are some things I can do to maybe monetize my own situation, whatever it is, whatever your niche is. What I realized was that I have this website where I'm getting regular traffic. So I said, hey, if you want to do an upgraded package, you'll get guaranteed placement, $25. I'll put their music video on the homepage. I'll run a sponsored post on Facebook to my 2,500 followers. I have a radio station that just runs automatically. It's got a bunch of songs just uploaded to it. So I could upload their song into rotation on that station. And then I'd even include a written interview where I just ask them 5 basic questions and I give them an example of the interview. And then there's a buy button for PayPal. And of course, they can submit the information here and everything that I need to know. And of course, if they decide to just submit it for free, then, it's kind of just up to me whether or not I want to post it. And I was getting so many of these, I literally have an email folder just filled with these requests that I figured, why not monetize this? And I just wanted to give you, that's one way of kind of utilizing this. So in the upcoming videos, I'm going to show you actually how to set up some cool ways that you can set up a live chat on your website, how you can actually start collecting the leads, what software you're going to use to be able to do this and auto respond to them, being able to broadcast to the people that have messaged you in the past, and just some cool other things I'm seeing other people do to really utilize the Facebook live chat bots.